Alright, y'all. I'm right here next to my Heritage. I'm gonna do an unboxing video. It's this K speaker. You know, sometimes the pipes are awesome, but sometimes you need that fucking Black Label Society, fucking Metallica, fucking, you know, you just want a tune to fucking be able to play when you're riding your fucking hog. So here we go, unboxing this. Let's see. Before installation, you can connect the battery and feel the beautiful music first. Fucking amazing. But yeah, dude, this is it right here, boys. Got my zip ties. Oh man, this is fucking pretty big, actually. Fucking connect these to the bars here. I got all my tools in here. Looks like it comes with like a harness, battery cable, if you want to fucking hook it up, but I'll be hooking this bad boy up later. Let's see here. Let's see what it would look like. So I just plan to just like K speaker. It's gonna go somewhere right in there. Then I can listen to my tunes. You ain't gonna be able to tell that's on the bike.